Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on passcode on your iPhone. If you haven't set it up yet, this is how you can go ahead and turn it on. So let's get started. The very first thing you're going to start by doing is going to your setting. Now from your setting, you're going to scroll down a little bit further until you get to Face ID and passcode. You might also see Touch ID and passcode depending on your phone model. So you're going to tap on that. And once you tap on that, you'll get to your settings. And if you scroll down a little bit further, it gives you the option to turn on passcode. So we're going to tap on that. And when you click on that, it's going to ask you to enter a passcode that you want to set. Now, by default, it might be 6-digit, but you can actually change the option that you want. You have an option to do a 4-digit numeric, 6-digit numeric, a custom numeric, and even an alphanumeric code as well. So I'm just going to stick with the basic 4-digit one. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and enter it once. And then, of course, make sure your user is more complex than this and enter it twice to verify. And as you can see here, once it's verified, it's going to go ahead and set that passcode. And now we can go back and then lock our phone. And now when I try to unlock it, it has now a passcode. And once I enter it, I can enter into the phone. So that's how you set the passcode on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.